What be this?
I want to see it, maybe.
Hi everyone, this is your girl, Afusa. In today's episode, we are going to teach her. And say you will not drop that. So, in today's episode, as you can see, I have my girl. She's about to learn work from yourself. In today's episode, we are going to teach ourselves how to cook perfect Calamulus Spag. As you all know, we have our ingredients here. We have our Spag, we have our salt, we have our sugar, we have our Maggi, we have our garlic, we have our jabe. We also have our mixture of curry and thyme. We have our ororo, and we also have our specially made curry and thyme. We have our hanky, tafinuwo. And in today's episode, we are going to avoid any back-to-back explosion. Nothing like explosion today. That's why I have my apprentice here. We are going back to 1971. That our mama used to cook for us. We are using perfect firewood. So right now, we're going to look for stone, we're going to look for plywood, anything that will just make us go back to that black and white life. So let's begin. See you. This one go good. We go still go back more. Okay. You bring us?
Yes, ma'am.
This thing no cast fire. You no cast fire since morning. I don't tell you like this.
Ma, you no go catch fire like that now. You did not even add kerosene.
If you say you get sense, you know for don't tell me since morning. Where are they waste this mass? Do you know how much they are selling this mass? Go find kerosene for me. Are they wait?
Wahala ma to sell.
Ah, ma, I no see kerosene. No.
So, what you come be this? What is this?
What be this?
Now petrol go find.
Madirao.
I will soon beat someone's child.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing.
Oh, yeah, take. Okay, I beg. Okay. Take and go far away. Oh.
Okay, ma.
Before I put the
Okay,
mass
ma.
it.
Okay.
Take and go far away.
Okay, ma.
Say what you was say make sense.
Madam, take a easy now. You don't say for dear. Okay. Take a easy.
That fuel, go.
Yes.
I want to see it, maybe. This is playing.
No.
You get it? You don't get it, forget about it.